Want to turn your unused items into quick Ghana cedis? Whether it's a car, a phone, or home furniture, today I'm showing you the step-by-step blueprint to selling on Yandaz, Ghana's premier classifieds marketplace. Don't let your items gather dust, let's get them sold. First, the prep work. Lighting is your best friend. Take 5 to 10 high-resolution photos from every angle. If your phone saves images as WebP, make sure to convert them to JPEG or PNG before you start, or the Yandaz uploader might block the file. Clear photos build instant trust with Ghanaian buyers who want to see exactly what they are paying for. Now, head to yandaz.com and select Ghana. Look for the Post Free Ad or Sell button. First, pick your category. Don't be lazy here. If you're selling a laptop, go to electronics, then computers and laptops. Placing your item in the right room means the right buyers find you instantly. Upload your photos and make sure the best one is your cover image. The title is your headline. Don't just write fridge, write Samsung double door fridge, silver, 3 months used. Be specific. Next, fill in the specs. If it's a car, list the mileage, transmission, and if it's registered with DV or DP plates. Use the description box to tell a story. Why are you selling? Is the price negotiable? Mentioning fixed price or slightly negotiable saves you from 1,000 last price messages. Location is key in Ghana. Be precise. Don't just say Accra. Say East Legon near the American House or Accra and Kumasi. This helps buyers calculate their transport. For your contact, provide a working phone number. Pro tip, mention if you are available on WhatsApp, as most serious buyers in Ghana prefer to chat and see more videos of the item before meeting. Price your item to sell. Search Yandaz for similar items and stay within that range. If you want to sell in 24 hours, use the Yandaz featured ad or top ad options. It costs a small fee, but puts your item at the very top of the page where everyone sees it first. It's the difference between selling today and selling next month. Safety is the most important part of the hustle. The meeting. Never meet at a private house or a lonely spot. Choose a public landmark, Accra Mall, West Hills, or a busy Shell station. The inspection, let the buyer test the item thoroughly. Once they are happy, it's time for payment. The MoMo rule. If they pay via mobile money, wait for the SMS on your phone. Check your balance manually by dialing *170# to be 100% sure. Never hand over the keys or the device until the cash is confirmed. That is the full script to winning on yandaz.com and select Ghana. Follow these steps, stay sharp, and watch the calls come in. If you found this useful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money in Ghana. Happy selling in Ghana on yandaz.com.